I have been waiting patiently to try this new Charlotte Tilbury concealer. Yep, supposed to be all the rave. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna try it out. And what better time than to try it out with this guy? This is the new Kosas Revealer dual-ended makeup blender. Yeah, it's supposed to be great. It's supposed to be awesome for those inner corner eyes that we all fight and struggle with. You know what I'm talking about. Let's put it to the test. Now, oddly enough, it did not say to dampen. Nowhere on here. I mean, I read it 2 or 3 times, you guys. Did not say dampen. But I do dampen all my beauty sponges ahead of time. And as you can tell, this sucker grew about 3 times the size. He barely fits. But that's him. Nice and damp. This, I will tell you, has a very cloud-like, super duper, insanely soft texture. Yeah, I couldn't get the words out. But it's very, I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's going on here. It's super soft. That's all I can tell you. I have many sponges. And this one just feels not like them. I hope that helps. Now this little baby Charlotte right here was a free sample, okay? That's why I love Sephora. I love Sephora for many other reasons, but you get lots of free samples. So why not try it out? Yeah, and it's not my shade. I don't think so. But I got it anyway. It's the lightest one they had. Okay. So here we go in with Miss Charlotte Tilbury. This is supposed to be the beautiful concealer, you know, the one that's gonna go with her beautiful foundation, of course. We're gonna put the slightest baby little dot right there. And do you see this discoloration right here? Do you see that? Do you guys know why we put concealer? Do you even know? You're just following the trend, just doing whatever, like the lines? No, we do it for a reason, because you want to cover up discoloration. Okay, all right. So right there, bam, see that? Okay, we covered him. Put him back. Now let's see what this guy does. Very sharp, very pointed, goes right there. Okay, here it goes. All right, nothing hurts. No stabbing, no hurting. Very soft. It's very soft, very cloud-like. I know I said that already. Velvety. Velvety, soft, cushiony. Golly. And then I'm going to just tap this guy out this way. Give a little tap-tappy. This is how we try things out. Okay? All right. This is so soft, it's almost too soft. Almost. But I like it. It's doing a great job getting all underneath the eye. Yeah, we sure did. We already covered up that little discoloration. That's what concealer's for. Okay, all right. And I like it. I like it and I love it. And it does feel very nice and creamy. It does. Touch it with the finger. Well, I blended out so well, I can't even feel anything. So it almost feels like it's not even there. Isn't that great? That's what you want. Good products. So I went ahead and applied some here, a little around the nose, a little down the nose, a little right here. Basically anywhere that I was red, okay? I put it everywhere. But I did leave gaps right here, just so you can see the highlighted difference. You see? Coverage, no coverage, coverage, no coverage. Yep. I am pleasantly surprised, I shall tell you. I didn't think I was gonna like this. I know I didn't. You should never judge a book by its contents or cover. But yeah, anyway, I thought I was gonna like it because I really wasn't that much of a fan of the foundation. The one that's the pair with this one, that beautiful skin, yeah, it's beautiful. It goes on nice, but then it slides right off my face. Why am I gonna put that on? It comes right off. But this guy right here looks really good. I know, you guys. So we're gonna wear it for a while. We're gonna see what it does. And so far, I like it. And I even like this. I like it too much. I know, because look, you go like that, bam, right in the corner. Over here, bam. You can hit it from below, hit it from above. Doesn't matter. You hit it everywhere with this guy. You're great. We are also still trying out this Give right here by Miss Beautiful Gwen Stefani. I mean, she's got, look at this. Me, you, yours. I mean, she's so sweet. I mean, just look. That's not the video right now, but it's letting you know. We're trying it out. It was called Sweet Tooth. It's giving me a little bit of sweet tooth. It does smell really good. You want to eat it, but don't do that.